Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to use DeepSeek AI for free. So talking about DeepSeek is an advanced AI model known for its exceptional reasoning capacity. It focuses on tasks such as mathematics, programming, and complex problem solving. DeepSeek R1 uses a revolutionary reinforcement learning approaches that enable sophisticated reasoning behaviors, including self-verification and reflection. DeepSeek is available now on various platforms such as a web app API. It has been opening resources to benefit the research community and achieve state-of-the-art result in various benchmark. So this is one thing you need to know about this particular AI website, which is DeepSeek. And this website is, funny enough, we just released this website a couple of days ago, which is one of the best AI websites in the market, and it is open source right now. And I know you might want to get it because this is very exceptional and awesome. So I'm gonna get started right now. So I'm gonna walk you through some few steps on how to get it done. So first thing you have to do is you can get the app, you can get the DeepSeek app right installed to your device. You can use it, you can install it to your device because it is open source currently for now. And also, if you don't want to do that, if you want to get the app, you can just simply scan this barcode right here. You can see scan to get DeepSeek app. So if you want to get it, you just take out your phone or any devices that supports the QR or the QR scanner. Just scan the app, scan the barcode right there, then it will automatically generate the website page where you can just get the app. Or probably if you want to use the app on the website, just tap on this. So this actually you have to once you click on start now, that means you're ready to sign in or log into your account. But currently I have my account, so I'm just going to walk you through a series of formation for you to be able to create an account. So here you can create an account using your phone number and your email address, and also input your Gmail. If you already have an account, then you have to just input your Gmail, your email, and your password. Then confirm that you confirm that you are not a robot. Then you log into your account. But if you don't have an account, just tap on sign up, or you can simply use login with Google. So I'm just going to use login with Google. Then you're just going to give it a few seconds for the website to verify if I'm not a robot or not. So for it to be confirmed that you're a human being, you just have to check the box. Then you can see chat DeepSeek.com verified now. So I'm just going to have to input my mail just for me to be able to have access to this website. Then I'm going to tap on continue. You can see sign into it. Good. Well, what's up? This is it. We are back inside. So this is the interface of the website. Here you can create a chat. You can see the chat new chat button at the top here. You can just simply get it there if you want to chat with the app. With the AI, see how it works. And don't forget, this AI is a revolutionary, which is problem solving, and it's something that you really want to know and you want to use. You can use this particular website for all different of problem analytics. You can use it for problem analysis in terms of mathematics. If you are a mathematician and you're having issues, or probably you're a student and you want to do some assignment, you can probably use this, and this is awesome. And don't forget, it's one of the most highly repetitive AI website right now. And also, if you're a programmer and you need to debug some code, you can probably use this website. Yeah, you can use it. So this is the new chat. You can use this bar right here. Just type in your words, any questions. So you can just ask your questions, and right here on this side, this is where you can have access to all your chat history. But currently we just create an account, so there's no chat history. If you want to get the app, like I said the other time, just quickly scan through this website, then you can get the app installed to your phone. just take your phone camera and scan the QR code right there, and that's it. Also, you can add an attachment, or you can probably add a text extraction only. Just tap on the call button, then from there it takes you down to your phone local storage. From there you can just easily attach a file. Maybe there's an image you want maybe you have an image and you want the AI to analyze the image for you. You can just import from there, then just import from your local storage, and that's it. From here also you can search directly from the web if necessary. If you want from the web, you can just search necessary. So I'm just going to ask the AI question, which is, tell me everything you know about JavaScript. Tell me everything you know about JavaScript. Right, good. Tell me everything you know about JavaScript. So once you're done, ask your question. Tell me everything you know about JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. So let's see what is going on. You can see this is a deep thought. You can see the AI trying to analyze everything about JavaScript, the origination, how it started using it at the beginning, everything, every single thing you need to know about the website, which is pretty awesome. You can see the speed, you can see how fast it is, you can see how deep in thought the AI website is. You can see it's just downloading everything, starting from the beginning, the revolution, how it's evolved, the involvement, how everything started. You can see this is so awesome. You can see, and that's it. This is awesome. So that's it. If also, you can probably also check your profile at the left down corner of the screen. Just tap on your profile. So from there you can have access to your profile. You can log out if you want. Then you can also access some settings. If you want to delete all your chat history, you can just tap on delete all chat right from there. Then you can just easily do that. Then if you want to have access to the settings, just tap on the gear button. And from here you can just simply change the language settings. There's not much settings in the website version. So you can just simply change your themes, or probably change your language, or also you can switch from the general to the profile. So from the profile you can just have access to your number. You can also check the terms and conditions, and probably check the privacy and policy of the website, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and